my name is Nathaniel, and today we will now do question B of 2022 MAT. 100 circles all share the same center. Now, there are 2 points that are separated by a distance of 2. Great, so let's just imagine 2 concentric circles and a tangent line. Don't forget, this is what we are aiming for. And remember that this is actually a distance of 2. Now, let's set the outer radius to be S and the inner radius to be R. So, how are we going to do this? So, first, we will have to set the tangent to be y equals to r, because that's like the easiest tangent to work with, right? Why choose a complicated tangent when all the tangents are literally the same? So, x squared plus y squared equals to s squared. Then we substitute y equals to r, find the intersection points. X equals to the square root of s squared minus r squared, because we cut a negative distance. So square root of s squared minus r squared is just this, right? So this basically means that 2 square root of s squared minus r squared equals to 2. Square root of s squared minus r squared equals to 1. And let's solve for s. Great. Who's done it here? Anyways, it just said that s is the square root of r squared plus 1. See what I did there? So if all else that the radius of C100, based on this logic, since we have figured out s equals the square root of r squared plus 1, and we do it 99 times to 1, and then we get 10 as the radius. See you! Bye!